What's up? Yesterday, we made this beautiful, beautiful image gallery in a grid-like layout, but it looks super boring, right? It's of course it looks super boring. It's just a grid uh, with images in, and that's also not very cool. The offset is wrong at the top. That's a problem for another time, though. Uh, um, so let me publish this. Maybe it's better than. It is not better than. Okay, whatever. Yesterday we made this. I don't like this at all because it looks boring. I think there is a plugin that we can use to do a nice uh, layout of the gallery, and we will try to find it now. I think what I want is called Masonry, and we will try to find the plugin again. There are some updates. Don't care about this right now. Let's add a new plugin. Let's type in Masonry, and then I think it should be one of the first ones. Maybe it is not though. Maybe it is already installed. Did I already install it in this WordPress page? No. This one I didn't like at all. We're gonna deactivate. Jesus, what you need? No, 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 no. No, I'm not telling you any reason. I'm deleting this. This does not do what I want without paying, and I'm not gonna pay for something that I think is so simple, right? A nice image gallery shouldn't be something that you have to pay for. Add a new plugin. We will type in Masonry. That's the question now, how to find it again. I don't think that it was this. Maybe it was something with Elementor. I will type in Elementor as well. Masonry Elementor. Royal Elementor. That could have been it, actually. That sounds super familiar. And the other stuff doesn't really let. It does say Masonry in there, maybe. Let's see. Masonry really much more. Okay, we will try this now. While this is installing, I can tell you that I downloaded a few images from Lauren Pixum. This website, pixum.photos, it's a great website to use pictures for placeholders or maybe that you use during development or whatever. Great site. It works super well. Yeah, what can I say? I'm very happy with pixum.photos. I will not get any new email notifications. Thank you. That's interesting. There are a lot of templates. Probably you have to pay for them, or maybe not. I don't know. That's something we can take a look at another time. Now we're going back to our pages. We have our Packery Gallery page. We will edit this with Elementor, and we will now see if there is a new gallery that we can use. Basic gallery, post, image, post, thumbnail. I'm just reading the stuff that it says here. I don't want a grid is cool. A grid is cool. Does this mean I have to pay for it? Or does this mean that it's okay, it's pro features? Let's just look at the pro features. Grid columns. Masonry is a pro feature. Are you kidding me? But this, look at this. It already is. It's not masonry, like, but it kind of looks not that bad actually. It's the mix of like portrait style and landscape style photos um is actually kind of interesting. In the layout, masonry unlimited height, fit rows equal height. Oh, that's because this row, no, that's maybe for some For some stuff, that's fine. This is cool that this works, but yeah, yeah, fit rows equal height. Grid columns option is fully supported in the Pro version. Guys, guys. So, okay, 5 is Pro. I understand. That's so crazy to me. That's so crazy to me that yeah, okay. So you can use this if you 4 columns is for me is absolutely enough. Okay. Then the horizontal gutter is just like the space between the rows. It is. I want a little bit more. Let's do 20 here, and of course, I want to have this in between all the elements. That's cool. Um, show pagination. Load more. Oh, load more is disabled in the editor. That's fine. It's cool that it tells you. Uh, so I press load more. Oh, and it loads them in. Actually, that's pretty sick. That's actually pretty sick that it does that. I like that a lot. I actually like that a lot. So we have the preview here. Um, elements. Let's just say I don't want the load more button. Let's say, is it the pagination? It is in the pagination. And I want more elements. Lightbox, I think, is not relevant right now. Query is interesting. Items per page. Let's do like 20. Okay, that's cool. That's actually cool. We will publish this now. Um, yeah, what can I say? Actually, this is what I wanted, right? So this is what I wanted without having to pay for it. Ah, now that I'm thinking of it here, it's a little different, but this is a masonry layout, right? It's just maybe that they have square photos, and that makes this effect, that creates this effect. And they have, like, on this screen size, on my laptop screen, they have only 3 columns. So we'll try this as well. Um, uh, I'm very happy that 3 is not Pro. That's great. Um, yeah. Uh, so yeah, I think that's cool, actually. And if we, yeah, and it moves around as well for the, okay, here they are like this, obviously. And okay, I mean, what can I say? I think that's neat. I think that's actually pretty neat. It was very easy. Now it says elements here. If I now query selection auto manual, all right, and then you put in the images by hand, right? And here it just takes images from the image folder, um, which is also neat, but you can obviously put in the images that you want. Yeah, okay, good plugin. I think that's a good plugin. Let's see again what the name is. I think there have to be better plugins than this, right? The masonry layout with unlimited columns should not cost anything. I think, right? Maybe I'm weird, right? Because maybe I'm coming from like the web development world where there are loads of packages that are just free. You can download them, use them, and they're free for whatever you want to use them for. And here you have to pay for like a very simple layout thing. That's weird. Royal Elementor Addons is an okay package, I think. What do you think? Do you know any better packages? Please let me know. I'm really interested in this stuff. I want to know everything there is about WordPress and Elementor. So please tell me anything you know, and we will see each other tomorrow.